Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping back into the late 1950s, a time of chrome, fins, and pure North American swagger. And the star of our story is one of the most elegant Canadian-built cruisers of its era, the 1958 Pontiac Parisienne. A car that blended American Pontiac styling with Canadian engineering, creating something truly unique on the road. Exterior. Let's begin with the exterior. The moment you lay eyes on the 1958 Parisienne, you understand why this car still turns heads more than 6 decades later. The front end is a masterpiece of the era, filled with bold quad headlights wrapped in deep chrome bezels and a wide, horizontal grille that stretches across the nose. Long, flowing body lines run along the sides, adding a sense of motion even when the car stands still. Chrome trim sparkles along the fenders, doors, and windows, creating a look that is both luxurious and unmistakably 1950s. And of course, the rear design seals the deal. Wide tail fins, jet-inspired taillights, and a sculpted trunk lid that gives the car a dramatic, almost spaceship-like profile. Riding on stylish wheels and whitewall tires, the Parisienne commands attention wherever it goes. Interior. Inside the cabin, the Parisienne delivers the full mid-century luxury experience. The interior is spacious, soft, and surprisingly refined for its time. The dash is a work of art, with sweeping curves, chrome highlights, and well-laid-out gauges that give the driver a sense of command. The large steering wheel, wrapped in color-matched material, feels like something straight out of a classic Hollywood film. The bench seats are wide enough for a family to sit comfortably, upholstered in premium vinyl and cloth combinations that show Pontiac's dedication to elegance. Every detail, from the polished trim pieces to the bright interior hardware, reminds you that this car was designed to impress both driver and passengers. Performance. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 1958 Pontiac Parisienne typically offered a V8 engine sourced from Chevrolet, a choice that made maintenance easier for Canadian owners while still delivering plenty of power. Depending on the configuration, these engines provided smooth acceleration and a confident driving feel, especially on long highways. The automatic transmission kept the driving experience relaxed, and the suspension tuned for comfort made the Parisienne glide over the road like a true cruiser. This wasn't a sports car, it was a classy highway machine built for effortless travel, weekend trips, and stylish city cruising. And for its time, it delivered exactly that. So what's the final verdict on the 1958 Parisienne? It's a car that captures the bold spirit of the 1950s better than most. With its unforgettable styling, roomy interior, comfortable ride, and charming Canadian-American identity, the Parisienne stands today as a collector's gem and a nostalgic reminder of an age when cars were rolling pieces of artwork. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast, a vintage culture fan, or someone who simply appreciates the beauty of automotive history, the 1958 Pontiac Parisienne is a shining example of design done right. A true icon of its time. If you enjoyed this deep dive into classic automotive history, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know which rare classic you want to see next. Until then, keep cruising.